Hey guys, it's me, the Roblox Gamer. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own wallpaper app. So let's get started. And also, before I start the video, please subscribe if you're new and like the video if you like it. So let's get started. So what you need to do is we're going to go over to design, and then what we will do is we're going to put like a simple button. Now you can put this anywhere you want to put it, like on the side. Like literally just anywhere you would, but I want to put it like here. Well, anyways, it's your idea. You can choose if you want to put it there or not. Okay. So I want this to be black, but it doesn't have to be black for you. So you can like just choose whatever color you want. And also, if you want, you can change the border radius if you want to. But you don't have to. And you can change the height if you want to, but you don't have to, like, by the way. So yeah, now that we've done that, we'll need to go. The next thing we're gonna do is put like a text input, and you don't need to do like anything with it. Like you can change the color of this or whatever you want. And I want like a border where this kind of color. It's going to be called place input 2, or you maybe place 1, and I'm just going to put like this text label. Well, you don't have to like put like a text label, but if you want to, then you can. It's not like I have to. No, okay, right. So what should we name it? Let's just type okay. So I'm gonna call it like type a color on search box, then click wallpaper, and then I'm just going to keep on sparing space and then type in by TRD Studios. And I just forgot something. You can literally like just change the name to whatever you want. So yeah, change the wallpaper. Yeah, and then after you've done that, this is finished up designing. So now we're gonna go over to code. Next, we want to go and get on event, and then get over to set property. And then we need to go and change this we need to go over to screen 1 and then change this to background color, I think. Okay, okay, let's just do wait, so now when we are done, we're good to now do screen 1, and then it needs to be called background color. And then what we will do is we're going to go, and once we're done, let's just test it for a second. And yeah, look at this. When I clicked on it, the wallpaper changed into color. But what we want to do is we want to use this checkbox, and then so what we will do is we're going to go over to get text, and then we're going to put this over here. Then now we're going to go and take this, and then we're going to go over to text input 2. So now let's go and test it. So let's type in a random color called blue. And look at that, you see it's working. Let's type in another color called black. Yeah, look guys, it's working. It's gonna work forever. Yeah, and I think that's just literally all for like making your app. So let's like just name it called wallpaper app, and then we're gonna go save it, and then let's go and share it to the public. So let's go and publish this, and yeah, that's literally here. So now I've saved it. Now my first app is done, and it's called the wallpaper app. And look at this, it's so great. It's working forever. Let's see if I can publish one of these apps soon too. Yeah, so I'll end it there. I think I'll end it there. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. More videos just like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye. And also, like, I'm just gonna see you later soon. And make sure you subscribe if you're new and like the video if you do. So thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.